So hi Zoya, we want to know like मॉडलिंग एंड ब्यूटी मिथ्स को लेकर के काफी सारी चीजें मिथ हैं, तो आपसे हम क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहते हैं. The first question is, models don't it much to stay in shape?
That's false. You know, because when I was shooting for just a small little story, Kingfisher calendar we were shooting for, and we were 4 models. और जब आप अगर दरवाजा खोलती तो हम सब chocolates and you know other stuff that was all lying around, and we were all eating away to glory. So जो Kingfisher का calendar है 2020 जो हमने shoot किया था, we were 4 girls, and मुझे ऐसा लगा शायद मुझे भी डाइट करना चाहिए क्योंकि बाकी लड़कियां भी डाइट पर होंगी, and I should. But when I opened the door, we were all like eating away to glory, so I don't think that's right. We, of course, हम manage करते हैं, we don't always overeat,
Yeah.
but कभी कभार, yeah, sure, we indulge.
Skincare is more important than makeup for long time beauty.
Yes, true. Skincare is absolutely important. If you have a fabulous skin, your makeup looks even more fabulous.
Wearing high heels all the time is necessary for
No, not at all. Just be comfortable. If you feel like a dress requires heels, then wear it. I think looking confident is more important. If you're not confident wearing heels, then what's the point?
Pageant winners have to give up acting to focus on their life.
No, you don't have to give up anything. The concept that a woman is a multitasker, you can be everything all at once. That's not true.
Expensive beauty products work better than affordable ones.
Not true. Sometimes it's true. Depends.
Okay. And this one is personal questions. So you started acting career with Hum Saath Saath Hain.
Yes, true.
Okay. Winning Miss India International 2021 was a complete surprise to you.
It wasn't a surprise. It was always a dream. So it was dream come true.
Okay. You have always preferred acting over modeling.
I have, yes. Acting. I have always been an actor, and in my heart, I will always be an actor. I've started, my schooling has been as an actor. So, मतलब मैं sets पर बड़ी हुई हूँ. That's what I feel like. That's the only thing I know, and I enjoy, and I love doing. So it's acting over anything.
And the next question is, you once had a fangirl moment meeting a Bollywood superstar.
Fangirl moment तो नहीं, because ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ, but I admire their work. It's not like, I don't know, there's a difference. Like I love and admire their work, but I don't know if I've had a fangirl moment.
Okay.
So not yet. Let's see in the future.
Okay. If you were not an actor or model, you would have been a lawyer.
A lawyer? I would have been a pathetic lawyer. I don't think I would be able to defend anybody. I don't think so. That's not the right profession. I would want to be an F1 racer. Cars. Racing cars. Although I don't have much knowledge about car models and all that, but I love like speed and driving and and you know, just the F1 racing, that sport in particular.
Okay. Thank you so much for breaking all the myths. Thank you.